Hello foodies! Welcome to Rishika recipes. Today's special, a flavorful cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls recipe made with love is just the thing for an enjoyable breakfast treat. So let's get started. Take 250 ml of warm milk. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar and 7 grams of instant yeast. Mix and add 90 grams of melted butter. Add 2 eggs. Mix well and add sifted flour. Add salt to taste. Mix well with the spatula, then knead with your hands soft dough. Cover with stretch film and rest the dough to rise. After an hour, the dough has doubled in size. Take the dough on the work surface and roll it into a large rectangle shape with a thickness of about 1.5 cm. I do it with my hands. It's easy for me in this way. Now take butter at room temperature and graze evenly over the dough surface. Now take the mixture of 100 grams of sugar, 50 grams of brown sugar and 15 grams of cinnamon powder and sprinkle the mixture evenly on top of the butter. Brown sugar is not required. You can mix regular sugar with cinnamon powder. The main ingredient in this recipe is cinnamon. It gives the buns a unique flavor and taste. So add it generously. Now we turn it into a large, not so tight roll and fix the edge by pinching neatly. If the roll turns out to be dense, then the middle of the buns may rise during baking, but it's also not so bad. Before cutting the roll, let's prepare our baking tray. Graze the butter and sprinkle with flour on top and distribute. Now cut the roll into equal 2 to 3 cm thick equal parts. It's not necessary to cut off the ends. Just lay the edge piece with the edge down. That's it, so simple. At the end, cover with stretch film and leave for about 40 to 50 minutes. In this time, buns will rise. Now we very carefully remove the stretch film with light movements and send it to the oven preheated to 180 degrees to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes until it gets uniform color. After 25 minutes, my cinnamon rolls are ready. I send the second tray with buns to the oven to bake, and at this time I start preparing the cream. For this, I take 100 grams of fresh cream and powdered sugar. Mix well with a whisk for a very short time because I use homemade cream. If you have store-bought, then you will have to beat with a mixer until a thick cream is formed. At this time, the buns are also ready. Take it out of the oven and let it cool down a bit. Apply cream on the top of warm buns. Cinnamon rolls are more fragrant and tastier when they are warm. These cinnamon rolls will stay good once baked for up to 3 days. Just make sure to warm them up before eating.